Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to add multiple YouTube channels to one account. First, you need to direct to YouTube and select the setting button from the top right corner. Then, select Add or Manage Your Channels. After that, click plus button to create a channel. You can type your new channel name inside the channel name input box, and click Create button. It will automatically direct to the channel window. If you want to switch your old channels, you can select the top right corner profile button and choose the switch account. Then, you can select your old account also. If you want to delete your channel, again, direct to the setting window using the top right corner profile button. Then, select Add or Remove Manager. Click the Delete Account button for deleting your selected account.